What are some daily practices? This is for couples there that couples can bring tantra into their relationship, even if they're beginners.
Well, like I said, you can practice conscious touch. You can do that every day. You can sit in a yab yum position, which is where it's usually the guy, but it can be two guys or two girls too. But one person, usually the heavier one, sits like this, and then the other person sits on top on their lap facing them. And you can just breathe together, or you can make love that way. But that's a way to get your hearts close and your breathing close. That's a very beautiful exercise to do. My husband and I make love every morning for 15 minutes, which sounds really weird, but it's every
Well,
day.
not really. Well, not really. Yeah, I find it normal, and it's important, that connection, because right when sex starts to leave, well, that relationship just starts in a Y, little by little. That's why transparency, like you said, is fucking important, and the connection with that person, the sex or emotional.
Yeah. So that's very precious to us. We consider it sacred. And we want to make sure that we are very intimate with each other that way every day. Once in a while we miss, but basically we call it our meditation practice, because we're being very meditative and focusing in. And if we start thinking about something else, we try to come back and be very present with each other. That keeps our relationship really alive and fresh.